welcome back to Leila Land. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all well. I am really excited about this one. Can you tell? It is time for Hyggebox. I love this colour, by the way, girls. Very nice. Elixir. Very nice blue colour. Right, so this is the December Hyggebox. I know it might be a bit confusing because I did film a Hyggebox video in December, but that was the special extra Christmas box that we created together. This is the December box. So as you can see, I haven't opened it. It's all still sealed, so I have no idea what's in this one. So shall we just get into it because I'm super excited. Oh, what's that got in it? Is that coffee? Or is that chocolate? Chocolatey coffee? Oh, I am loving the new design, guys. I nearly just threw that on the floor then. Let's see what's in it. Oh, that's got to be coffee. That is so strong. I'm not going to look at this. I'm going to put that over there and I'm going to read it afterwards. Let's just go back to the crazy days where we didn't have a clue what we were getting ourselves in for. Oh, I like all the blue. That's cute. What's this? Perfectionism is just fear in a mink coat and fur boots. I like that. I like that. Right, it's clearly this that I can smell. Wow. Yep. Jesus. I love the smell of coffee. I can't stand drinking coffee. It gets quite a big reaction from me if there's any coffee in any of my drinks, but the smell of proper coffee is beautiful. And this one is so scented. It's Colombian coffee with smooth vanilla. It smells gorgeous. Ground for cafetiers and filters. My mum will love this. So mum, you're getting a coffee. What is this? Oh, who are you? Oh, Casper. Oh, it's this. Oh, that is gorgeous. That's like incense. Oh, that is so nice. Right, let me explain. So it says on here, patchouli and lime, goat's milk and shea butter soap. And it's got a picture of a goat there and says, this is Casper. So meet Casper, everyone. Hello, hello. Oh, is this by Laughing Bird? That'll be nice and nourishing. Donsler Winter Skin. Thank you very much, girls. And what is this? Oh, look at this! The Little Book of Inspiration. Oh, I love this. I love like motivational quotes and like feeling inspired by something. So much so that in 2018 we are going to be starting our inspirational and motivational theme, and each weekend I'm going to pick a topic, and on a Sunday evening you're going to get a video which is basically motivating you and encouraging you and empowering you to hit that Monday morning with some fire and some purpose, rather than just waking up and thinking, oh, Monday, here we go again. I want everybody to get up on a Monday morning and go and attack that week and be as successful as you can. So this has come at a very good time. Do you see how in sync we are again, Hyggebox? Oh, I love this. It says at the back, whatever dream you're working towards, a few wise words can help make any challenge easier. This uplifting little book is packed with inspiring quotations and simple but effective tips to help you get the most out of every day. Oh, that is amazing. I love that it's all colour-coded as well. This is like special. Oh, there's a quote here from Eleanor Roosevelt who says, with the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. I like that. Because it's true. Oh, and there's another one here from Thomas Edison who says, if we all did the things we are capable of, we would astound ourselves. It's so true. You have no idea how capable you are of anything. Every single one of us. Oh, that is really going to be enjoyed and nourished. What do I want to say? Treasured. There we go. There's chocolate! Have you noticed I get a good 25% squealia when I'm off going through a Hyggebox? We've got some chocolate from Ocean Creed. Don't think I've ever heard of those. What beautiful packaging. And it says here, milk chocolate made with cocoa beans shipped by sailboat. Was it the November box that had the chocolate that had all the information about where it was grown and how it was made? So that sounds really cute. I love the idea of the coffee beans coming over on like a proper old school sailboat. So it says here, the Autumn Winter 2017 collection follows the voyage of the finest cocoa beans from the Dominican Republic across the Atlantic Ocean, shipped by fair transport on the sailboat Tres Hombre. That's amazing. So there's a whole story about how they've crossed the oceans to get to us. And I'm hitting myself in the face. There we go. There we go. As usual. Oh, I'm seeing Paul tonight, so I'm going to take that over and we can enjoy that later. Oh, look at that. It's very indulgent, is this box? Where have I put in this? Scented candle! Oh, literally cannot get enough of a scented candle. Oh. This is so cute. So it's by Be Fair, as in be fair, as in things made by bees, but also be fair, as in be fair. Okay, we're all getting it our way. Oh, honey lily, is that the scent? Oh, it smells beautiful. Let's have a look, because I can see it's got beautiful packaging. But as we've all come to expect now, I can't open things on camera. There we go. Whoa, that is really, really scented. Oh, that is gorgeous. That reminds me of a Yankee Candle one that I used to love. Wow, that is super, super scented. I love that. Hand poured natural plant wax candle, burn time approximately 25 hours, and it's cruelty free and vegan free. Vegan free? No, it's not. It's cruelty free and vegan. Oh. And this is what I wanted to show you. Look how beautiful the packaging is. That is gorgeous. Oh, it matches my t-shirt as well. We're always so colour-coded, Hyggebox people. Look. Oh, you're cute. I'm going to have to name them all, aren't I? Oh, that is beautiful. Alexa. Right, what is these? Oh, Paul, you're in for a treat. Lovely biscotti. Oh, how gorgeous. Love it. Paul loves biscotti. Oh, and this one's got almonds in as well, which Paul loves. Oh, this is all about, like, just looking after yourself, isn't it? This is self-care. I know what's coming. Let's get it. Here we go. Yep. Welcome to your Hyggebox dedicated to winter me time. And again, this is another reason I think why I feel such an affinity to Hyggebox and why I found some of my very favourite people in Gabby and Sally who run Hyggebox, because this is the direction I am taking Leila Land in the new year. It's all about helping you to feel less pressured by the world and helping you to take care of yourselves. And I really want to encourage and motivate you to be the best that you can be, as I also learn about being and try to be the best that I can be as well, because it's so important. The world is so pressurized, and we get all that pressure and just have it weighing down on us constantly, and it just doesn't need to be like that. So I think things like this are absolutely essential. So a perfect box for December. The new year is a time for optimism and new beginnings. We reach for our new journals to create goals and to-do lists. We feel the pressure to plot out the rest of the year and what we hope to achieve by Christmas 2018. New Year's resolutions are made, shared and disclosed on social media. Whilst we indulge in a newfound optimism and a fresh start, we must remember January is still winter. We should take time to recognise the short days and the darkness that still surrounds us. January is the perfect time to hold off on those new plans, forget the New Year's resolutions and take time to nurture ourselves ready for the dawn of spring. Taking time to appreciate the things we love, the people sharing our lives and the comfort of continuity. This time of year is perfect for reflecting and remembering what you love about yourself rather than trying to achieve something new. It is the perfect time to sit, take a moment and think about how far you've already come. Embrace winter for the time that it gives you. There is no rush. Take moments for yourself and do things you love. This is the best time of year to feed your mind and the good stuff. Throw perfectionism out of the window and enjoy the blissful feeling of just being rather than achieving. Yes! I love this so much. So thank you so much, Gabby and Sally. That was another amazing Hyggebox. I am so happy that I discovered you a year ago and I've been getting your boxes ever since. I'm so happy to have been a part of it this year as well. So thank you so much. Yeah, I love this one. I love the colour theme. I love the actual theme. And I'm going off right now to whack a face pack on, light that candle and eat that chocolate. I mean, I'm definitely taking the biscotti, so maybe you won't notice if most of the chocolate doesn't get to Paul's house. If you've liked this one, give it a big thumbs up. Go and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. I love you very much. Take care. Bye!